Please subscribe to my channel, press the bell icon button, like, comment, and share.
432x50 digital rifle scope is both a daytime color optic and digital night vision rifle scope. The Wraith features a 1920x1080 HD color imaging on a 1280x720 high-resolution FLCOS display, featuring daylight use and transitions to traditional grayscale digital night vision imaging to unlock the mysteries of the dark. The Wraith is recoil rated up to 308 and boasts a rugged aluminum body with IP55 water-resistant protection, a Picatinny rail accessory mount, 50mm objective lens, digital controls, power unit, micro USB port, powerful 850 nanometer infrared LED illuminator with a nighttime detection range of up to 200 yards away, and a micro SD card slot. Why the micro SD card? The Wraith includes onboard video and still photo capability and stores the content on a micro SD card. A 64GB card is capable of holding thousands of images or approximately 7 hours of video, and videos and photos are produced in popular AVI and JPG formats. The Wraith accepts up to a 256GB micro SD card. Rounding out the feature-rich Sightmark Wraith rifle scope is 4:32 variable magnification and 1:8 power digital zoom. The Wraith also includes 5 firearm profile saves, 1/4 MOA windage and elevation adjustments, simple user menu interface, and 10 reticle options in 9 colors for a truly customized shooting and hunting experience. While the Sightmark Wraith is powered by 4 AA batteries for up to 3.5 hours in video mode and 4.5 hours in preview mode. To extend battery life in the optic itself, the LED IR illuminator is powered separately by 2 CR123A batteries. The Wraith includes an objective lens cover, fixed Picatinny mounts, and user manual. To learn more about the Wraith 432x50...
Hi, this is Joe with Vortex Optics. We're here today to talk to you about the Diamondback Rifle Scope series. The Diamondback has a reputation in the industry for one of the best hunting scopes your money can buy. The Diamondback comes in various configurations and reticles, which you'll see here. Let's take a minute to walk you through this amazing rifle scope. Starting at the front of the scope, all lenses are fully multi-coated for crystal clear, bright images from dawn to dusk. Going on to the tube, it's a solid one-piece aircraft-grade aluminum tube for superior durability and shockproof. Internally, the scope is argon purged and O-ring sealed for a lifetime of waterproof and fog-proof performance. Moving on to the turrets, they're metal-on-metal precision turrets that offer the ability to zero reset after sight-in. Again, as we move inside the scope, we have a precision glide erector system which ensures accurate tracking and repeatability. And then as we make our way to the back of the scope, we have a fast focus eyepiece that allows you to quickly get a clear image of your reticle and then very generous eye relief. And that's going to cover it for the Vortex Diamondback Rifle Scope. If you're looking to stretch your dollar for the best hunting rifle scope that your money can buy, I strongly urge you head down to your local Vortex dealer to take a look at one of these today. As with all of our rifle scopes, the Diamondback comes with our legendary VIP warranty, which is our lifetime, unconditional, unlimited guarantee.
The Gen 2 Viper PST. With a variety of models to suit any shooter's needs, the Viper PST series is revamped with upgraded features from top to bottom, taking its incredible performance and rock-solid tactical features to new heights. Shooters who like to dial their turrets for bullet drop and wind compensation will appreciate the Gen 2 PST's exposed laser-etched turrets and adjustable parallax, as well as a patented RZR zero stop, ensuring accurate returns to zero. The fiber optic turret rotation indicator assures you can keep track of your turret position with ease. The 5x zoom range provides a wide variety of magnification options for either short or long-range scenarios. Select models are available with first or second focal plane reticles, depending on the model. The Gen 2 PST 1:6x24 is incredibly versatile and ideal for close quarters to medium-range engagements. A true 1 power on its low end provides reflex sight functionality. Increase the magnification to precisely execute shots at greater distances. Fixed parallax, low-profile cap turrets, and an incredibly functional second focal plane reticle round out the unique features of this impressive optic. All models feature a 30mm anodized aircraft-grade aluminum tube. A cleanly integrated illumination dial features 10 levels of brightness with off positions between each setting. O-ring seals and argon purging on every model guarantees waterproof and fog-proof performance in even the worst weather conditions. XD glass increases resolution and color fidelity. XR fully multi-coated lenses increase light transmission, and ArmorTech coatings protects exterior lenses from scratches, oil, and dirt. Whether you're topping your door kicker or dialing precision long-range shots, there's a Gen 2 Viper PST to fit your needs.
We're near the night shot. The IR850NS is an easy-to-use, weatherproof accessory infrared illuminator, custom designed for use with Night Owl Optics Night Shot Digital Night Vision Rifle Scope. Whether you're born
Thanks for watching. Product buying links are given in the video description.